Hi everybody, it's Lucia. I know, long time no see, right? I haven't been around for a while, just busy. So today I just wanted to share a small Goodwill haul with you. This is probably two combined Goodwill hauls. And I just wanted to share them with you. So the first thing I picked up was 3 books. So I got this book and it's all pansies. And it's pretty. There's some very pretty images in here for mixed media collage, cutting them out, using them in backgrounds, image transfer, all kinds of things. But aren't they beautiful? It's just a lot of really pretty. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. So I picked up this book. And then I picked up this one, and this one, oh my gosh, inside, I just love it. Look at this, all these little drawings that you could do and just get ideas from, you can use in art. I mean, it's just awesome. I love it. Let me zoom in a little bit. But it's just great. I mean, look, you can make paper dolls with these. I mean, it's going to be hard for me to cut this up. I can tell already. Yeah. So I got that one. And it's Easy Steps to Design, Fashion Design. Easy Steps to Fashion Design. Okay, and then, I don't know, for those of you who know me, I like to quilt. So I found this book and I bought it to cut up, but that's going to be hard for me because, you know, I just can't do it. But look at all these. Look at all these. Oh my gosh. And this is an older book. Let's see. What's the copyright? I don't see a copyright on here. But you can tell that it's older because everything's so simplified now with quilting, and this still has the cutouts. And what I like is there's like these old notepads in here from someone. And there's even some notes with measurements. And I was trying to figure out how they were doing these, telling you how to put these patterns together. So I was reading it, and then, so for example, oh, it talks about simplified patterns in here. But you find the pattern you want. So let's say you want pattern 254. So then you would go to the back of the book and find these corresponding numbers. And those are the measurements that you need. See, these all have numbers on them. But those are the numbers that you would cut out or copy to make that pattern. So it's very interesting how this concept, these directions, and it's just different. Something that I've never really seen before. How cute. Yeah, I've never seen a book like this before where you choose what you want and then go in the back and look for the corresponding numbers, and that tells you what to use. So anyway, I might try a pattern out of this. I thought it was very interesting. So I picked up that one. And then look what I found. Oh my gosh, this whole thing of twine. I mean, it is nice. It feels like cotton. This was $3, so I picked up the whole thing, and look how much is on there. So I picked that up. I picked this up. This is a 2018 art calendar. And even though it's 2018, there's some great images in here. I mean, there's just some really, there are images on both sides, and there's some really cool ones. So I picked that up just for the images that I could use. now that I bought all this stuff, I definitely have to start doing something. I haven't been able to sit down and do art for a while. So anyway, I got those. And then this is the same thing. It's a calendar. This one was from 2014. And look, it was at Bimart. It was $15 when they bought it. So it took someone a long time to get rid of this, but these are just quilt patterns. They're all quilt patterns. So again, I bought it for the images, but we will see. We will see how that goes. There's just so many cool things in here. I'll probably hoard it for a while because that's just what I do. So I got that one also. Alright, and then I picked up this vase. I just love milk glass, so I picked up this vase. And I had one of these little dishes, and I picked up another one just like it. It's over here already full of stuff. Let me see, I think I bought one more vase. It's all wrapped up here. Oh yeah, this one I just bought because I wasn't sure if I wanted to put little things from my desk on it, Come on, Lucia. Learn to talk. So I don't know, I just have a lot of stuff on my desk. I thought maybe I could just toss it in there. I have it in a paper plate right now. So I could just toss things in there. It's a lot prettier than a paper plate. So that's what I got that one for. Oh, I got another book. Actually, I think I got two more books. So this is Colorado Birds. And it's full of bird images. So that's why I got this one. Thought it was pretty interesting. And all the books were half price, so it was a good price. And then I got this Lover's Quotation book only because there was a lot of sayings and black and white images that I really liked in this book. So I got it for that. You could cut the quotes out, use the black and white images. I love it. Wish I would have had that before I started my bank book. I would have probably used some of those. I got this hot pad. It's a chicken. Thought it would go cute in my kitchen. I have chickens, so I like chicken stuff. I got this little box here of embroidery threads because I am working on some wool projects. Little hand done ones, and this just had a ton of little embroidery floss in it, so I picked all of that up. I hadn't been to the Goodwill for such a long time. Oh, this was so cute. I could not leave this behind. This is like a nutcracker or a bottle opener or something. I'm not exactly sure. But I think it's a nutcracker. So it's a little red truck. And then this goes up and down. Isn't that just so cute? It says Chestnut Creek. So obviously chestnuts, so it must be a nutcracker. I could not pass that up. It's so adorable. I got an L. Because I'm going to redo this. I'm going to probably collage all over it. It was only 99 cents, so why not, right? I'll probably collage all over it and make an L for Lucia. Okay, all of these things came from a previous haul, and I have an idea for them. I want to put them in the hallway over by the back bedrooms in my house. So these are metal, and then these are the light up candles. I just need to get some batteries in them. But aren't those pretty? I just love those. So I'm going to put those on. And then I got this welcome sign. And then I previously got these. I don't know if I've showed them, but these were in another Goodwill haul. But I got a bunch of these. So I'm going to put those. I'm not sure, but you know what I think? What I'm going to do with these? I'm not sure yet, but in my kitchen I have a pot rack that hangs from the ceiling, and you know, you hang your pots on it. So I was thinking if we put these on the wall, we could just hang the pots from the hooks on the wall. But I don't know. I'd have to convince my husband of that, but I don't know. I think that's such a good idea, so I might use those for that too. But that's those. I love these though. I love this iron look. I picked up this little basket. I'm going to paint it and dress it all up for a little basket for my little granddaughter. And then I got this magnet, and it's quilted. It's a little birdhouse. It's a quilted magnet. So I got that. I'm going to be leaving pretty soon for my sewing retreat. So I'm just picking up little things here and there to stick in as a little goodie, because we have like a secret sister game we play, and we leave little things on the sewing machine of whoever we picked. So it's fun. It's a lot of fun. That's coming up here in a couple of weeks, so I'll be going to that, and I'm going to do a project. I'll probably share the project with you. Once I'll show you the beginning, and then I'll show you the finished product, because it's really hard to to film sewing videos, and I haven't been filming a lot anyway lately. Just a lot of stuff going on. So anyway, I just thought I'd come on really quick and share those things with you. I think that's it. So I got some pretty good stuff. I love these calendars. And all the books I got. I think out of this whole haul, my favorite things are probably the thread. I don't know, I like it all. The books, I love this. This is my favorite thing of all. Sometimes I get lucky when I find things. All right, so that's it. That's my little Goodwill haul. Thanks, everybody. Bye.